Welcome to Aztec Washer Company. If you're experiencing problems with leaks, pipes, conduits, cables, and wires that penetrate your metal, residential roofing, or siding, we have your solution. MasterFlash, an answer that ensures you no more leaks, with a minimum of a 20-year warranty. Box Gutter Expansion Joint MasterFlash. This installation guide will cover the box gutter expansion joint linear flash. This design is to seal joints in gutters, transition walls, skylights, or chimneys. The box gutter expansion joint linear flash is available in 3 sizes: 9, 12, or 18 inches width, with 12, 33, or 50 feet lengths made of grade EPDM rubber with aluminum edges. The box gutter expansion joint allows for 6 easy step installation and usually takes 5 minutes to install. Box gutter expansion joint. Materials needed: measuring tape, marker, scissors or snips, drill, closure strip, master seal bonded washers, and sealant. Step 1. Measure and cut according to the distance or length of the joint to be sealed. Step 2. Make a line with a marker on the wall where the linear flash will be attached. Step 3. Apply sealant inside the marked area on the wall surface. Step 4. Place the linear flash edge over the mark and fasten to the aluminum edge with master seal bonded washers and fasteners, concrete nails, plastic anchors, or AB self-tapping screws. Fasteners should be 1 inch to 1.5 inches apart the entire edge for a tight, secure seal. Repeat the same procedure on the roof surface. Step 5. Place linear flash over the closure strip and fasten to the aluminum edge with master seal bonded washers and fasteners, concrete nails, plastic anchors, or AB self-tapping screws. Step 6. Review the installation and apply extra sealant if necessary. Problem solved. Seal it right, seal it tight. Please visit us at www.aztecwasher.com or contact your sales representative at 1-800-927-4375 or info@aztecwasher.com for other quality MasterFlash product. Visit the Pitch Data Calculator app at rpc.aztecwasher.com.